In this video, we're going to show you our simplest method for hand carving a little Welsh daffodil. Something that we always look for here at the Lovesome Workshop is simplicity, and this little design, if I'm being honest with you, I actually always think that Dad carves it better than myself, but when I put it on, it's a popular design that we do, but for anybody out there, you know, who's doing different carvings, that's the thing, is that people like it, and as I said, for me, I prefer the way Dad carves it to myself. Doesn't mean there's anything wrong in the way I do it, it's just personal preference. I think he does a particularly nice, simple daffodil. To explain then the methods that he taught me to do, you start off with the front of the trumpet, as you can see, like so, and then you just do two little cuts on the inside of the trumpet to give it that effect of you know, being the front of the trumpet. Next then we do the back of the trumpet, and that's done with one line like so, and I actually find the best is then do that top line, do the back of the trumpet, and then afterwards we create the effect of the petals. So the first one I do one going sort of straight back, just like so. We do another one that's above, at the top, just like so. Just curl that round a little bit more, and then below the middle petal we do a third petal just at the bottom, and then the last thing to do is the stem. So a simple little carving just like so, but quite an effective method for doing a daffodil. Now in other videos we're going to show you a few other methods that we use for hand carving a daffodil, but this one here is definitely the most simple and straightforward. It only takes a couple of minutes to carve, and it's a lovely way of decorating either a love spoon, or maybe a jewellery box, a key ring, a letter opener, or any other project that may seem appropriate. Over the years we've carved it on things like fridge magnets, clocks, barometers, all sorts of different things. But there you go, that is a simple little method. To finish it off, what we then do, we just do a little bit of detail in the petal towards the trumpet, just like so, to give the effect that those petals are going in behind the trumpet, just like so. And we're just going to bring that in like there. Now, so the trumpet and the petals sort of join together, we're going to just cut in on that reverse angle, just like so. And then the final part of the process, we just put a little line, 1, 2, and 3. And there we are. That is our simple little daffodil. There you have it. That is a demonstration of how we hand carve a simple little daffodil. Again, it's one of the more simple carvings that we do, But it's useful, whatever project you might be working on. You can add a little bit of decoration by including a daffodil or maybe two daffodils. Another video, another time, we will also demonstrate some of the other methods that we use to hand carve a daffodil. If you've enjoyed what we've done here, don't forget to leave a like. If you want to see more from us, check out our channel. Subscribe on there and ring that bell because that will notify you when we upload another video. And as always, thank you again for watching.